Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to make a website in Replit. So this guide is going to be simple and straightforward, so let's really dive into it. So the first thing to do is to visit the Replit website and log in to your account. So on the dashboard, click the plus icon to create button to start a new project. So the next thing to do, in the language option, select HTML, CSS, JS, which is JavaScript. This is the basic setup for building a website. Then enter the name for your website, or keep the one Replit gives you automatically. Then after that, Replit will open your website page with three main files, which is the index.html, style.css, and script.js. Then after that, you can start building your website. So from there, you can add your website content in the index.html and use the style CSS to design your page and add the interactivity with script.js. After that, click the run button at the top to preview your website in the right hand window. Then when you are ready to share it, click the publish or deploy at the top right to make sure your website stays live, and Replit will give you your public link. And that's how you can easily make a website in Replit. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.